The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
Now, what was the first day like? Can you take us through what you did to kind of break the ice?
Oh, first day. Let's see. Um, First day for me was talking about, I gave them a little background on me. Actually, that's what I did. First day was all about me. That was the class lesson. It was all about me and my class. So I gave them slideshows about things I like, that my background, tell them that I was terrified because I was a first year teacher and I was scared to be in there and I was nervous and I know they're nervous and that I've already gotten lost in the school and they probably will too. And going over my rules. I have so many rules. I have like a rule wall. It's kind of intimidating when you see it. But I read Ron Clark's book and he has those essential 55. So I picked 26 of them that I liked. And so I have 26 rules like pasted on the wall and it's scary when you walk in there. But that was my first day. And then day 2 was about them. So I had them fill out Facebook sheets, kind of telling about like who they are and what they like. And, one of the questions I asked was what their favorite song was and told them that I was going to make a student playlist of the songs they put on there. So I have a YouTube playlist and, when they're working and doing independent work, I put their playlist on and their favorite songs are popping on and they're singing along and bebopping. And, I had them do like they had to ask another person about themselves and then they had to introduce the other person. So it wasn't, because you always feel awkward talking about yourself, but you feel less awkward talking about the person sitting next to you. So, they had to, I say, a lot, sorry. They would ask the other person about themselves and then introduce them to the class. So it was a little less awkward when you introduce somebody else. But, we spent time, I said, again, see, now I'm going to be really aware of it.
Hey, we do all the editing on our side, so don't even worry.
Yeah, we spent a day learning me and then we spent a day learning about them. So, and then we had since I do a house system in my class, like Harry Potter, we spent some time letting them pick what house color they wanted, voting on the animal, voting on what adjectives they wanted to describe their house. They made banners and it was really awesome. So it was just more about like building that relationship and making ourselves, it was clear that we're like a family and that we're going to like each other, whether you like it or not.